Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to tell you if you have doubts about joining Forever Living Products Company, you are not able to take decisions, though you are interested, but some of the doubts are bothering you and you are not able to take decisions. Then in this video, if you watch till the end of, I will be able to explain to you and clear all your doubts. So before that, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not done so and be with me for a couple of minutes. So friends, you might be knowing Forever Living Products Company is a wellness industry which is operating in more than 165 countries as of now, and the company produces health and beauty products which are of high standard. People love using these products. These are not medicines, but these are health supplements which are liked by the people, and it helps in curing, not only curing some of the critical diseases, but also improves the overall health, fitness level, weight management, skin care. So these are the categories of the products which are being widely accepted all over the world. Now, this is the about the profile of the company and the products. Next is the business plan. How you are going to be a part of this company and what you need to do while taking the first step about joining this company. So there is nothing much to talk about because it is a very simple procedure which is being followed in India and elsewhere. In India, if you want to join this company, there are two ways you can join this company, either as a customer or a business, forever business owner. So first I will tell you about joining as a customer. The joining process is almost same. You have to use a mobile app which is known as My Forever India app. You require to fill up certain particulars like your ID proof, your name, mobile number. You have to may have to give your Aadhaar card, PAN card as address proof or ID proof, or the KYC requirement is to be done. So all these things are required because you are going to be a part of the business with the company, and so these details will help you in future. So if you want to join as a customer, you will be known as preferred customer. You will get 5% discount. You need initially the a sponsor, a sponsor who will help you to join this company by giving you his ID number. So your ID will be created, you become a preferred customer and start availing the products. You have to order these products because you will be given a website on mobile through which you can order the products, and the products will be directly mm, delivered to your home address. So this is the process. You can continue as a preferred customer. But if you want to become a businessman, you want to join as a forever business owner, then in that case you need to have you need to purchase the mm, products of this company for 5,000 rupees inclusive of all taxes. So once you start this, in that process also you have to create, you have to register yourself, and that registration is free. So you get, suppose you have registered and you have got your own ID. Now you have to start your business, so you have to purchase minimum amount of 5,000 rupees stores, and later you can consume these products, or you can give it to other people who are in need of that. So you can start your business, and if you want to grow in this business, then you will have to purchase the products of 2cc value, which is the cc is the case credit, which is the value of the each product, and if they are added, the total amount becomes 2cc. In that case you become assistant supervisor level, and you have a lot of other benefits like 30% discount, and you also get authorized to recruit people under you. So that is another way. In that case, there are two ways to become assistant supervisor directly. One is through having combo plan, in which case there is some benefit, like if you purchase the products of only 1.5 cc, then you become an assistant supervisor. But in that case, the all the products are supplied through the company. You don't have choice to pick up the products as per your wish. So, but you purchase the products of 1.5 cc and you get benefit of 2 cc and you become assistant supervisor. Now there is another way, like you directly purchase of the products of 2 cc value, but you choose your products yourself, and that is the difference. And but in that case there is a more value, for you have to invest more money, because in that case you have to purchase the products of 2 cc value. So I hope you understood. These are the three ways you can join Forever Link Products Company. I have told you about the profile, the business policy, and if you want to know more about this, then you can contact with me through my description box. Go to the description box and you will get the links. You can contact with me. I will be able to explain to you more details and clear all your doubts. So thank you for watching this video and be with me. See you then in the next video. Till then, goodbye.